Hey everyone, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Woo woo! Today we're doing something very special. We are making a birthday cake for Mother.
Pour moi? Pour moi?
Yeah, Mom's birthday is tomorrow as we're filming this. Today as you're watching it. So everybody wish her happy birthday. We're gonna be making her a crazy cake. So this is a recipe that we've done on this channel before, but it's so good. We wanted to do it again.
It bears repeating.
I'm not sure. I feel like you probably made it last time.
Yeah.
And not me.
Mm-hmm.
So you get to watch me mess around now.
You definitely have made it in the past.
I've made it before. I just can't remember who made it in the video.
Oh, okay.
Chances are it was you.
Probably.
But there's always that possibility that it was me messing around.
If you know, leave it in the comments.
Yeah. So here we go.
This cake's all over the internet.
Yeah, this is
been around for years
very
and years.
easy recipe, delicious recipe. If you guys want to make this, we are going to put the ingredients in the info box below, so they're all there for you. So without further ado, let's skidoo. All right, I already got my flour in the bowl because I didn't want to risk being all messy in the video. It could have been really bad. No, I'll just find other ways to look like an idiot.
Oh, come on.
So,
you're a pro, baby. As RuPaul would say, you're a winner, baby.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
I'm going to give you your $10,000 tip later.
I wish.
And by doll hair, I mean doll hairs.
Yeah. All right. Well, next up, we're going to add our cacao powder. Cacao to cacao, as I like to say.
Yes, Granny. How much is that?
It's I didn't know we were saying. It's 1/3 cup.
Okay.
So.
Well, you don't have to say all the ingredients because I'm
it's
sure
already below.
Everybody knows by now just to look in the info box.
Yeah. For
a full listing and a crude description.
Very crude. Very crude. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar, and we are using coconut sugar today.
My favorite.
Yeah, I love coconut sugar. It makes me feel like not as guilty.
Yeah. Well, I think the glycemic index is a little bit better than regular sugar, so you're better off using something like that because you won't get those sugar spikes.
So I know it looks crazy that I'm going to be doing 3 of these, but this is just the 3rd cup, so yeah, we're going for a full cup here.
It's not really that bad when you consider...
for a cake? Nah.
For a cake, yeah.
Not for a cake.
Just wait till you see what's in the icing.
I thought we were using the store-bought icing.
We are.
Okay.
It's not good.
I don't want to look. I think I might just
close
not
your
look
eyes
for that part.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue on with our dry ingredients. So next up, we've got our baking soda.
Oh.
1 teaspoon of that bad boy.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Bloop. Yeah.
Beautiful. Watch me struggle to... Oh, that one went on easy.
You know what it is? It's different manufacturers. The lids.
Yeah, because these lids we actually, bless you, we ordered individually of the jars.
Right.
So these are reusable and they're very nice. But sometimes, depending on the jar, it can be tough to get back on there.
Right.
Okay. A pinch of salt.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, in the recipe, it looks like...
That was the slickest move ever.
That was pretty nice, right? That's like sliding the drink down the bar and going around the edge.
Will you ever be able to duplicate that again?
Probably not. Just the pinch. I think actually in the recipe it says pinch of sat. So... Anyway.
All right. Well, I'm not as smooth.
We
as
have
you
a lot
are,
of fun.
apparently. Yes.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. We are going with the apple cider vinegar.
The best ever. The goat.
Is it with the mother?
Yes, of course.
Perfect for Mother's birthday cake.
Oh.
I never call her Mother.
No, never.
It's just fun in the video.
You could go a little harder on that.
A little harder?
Sure.
Oh, I hear it sizzling.
Yes. I hate to be a bee, but...
It touched the baking soda?
Yes, that's why it's sizzling.
Yeah, that was a crucial error on my part.
Yeah.
You don't want that to react until, like, the last moment possible.
You should have...
I know.
In her defense, there's no
I should have mixed
directions.
up my...
Yeah.
I should have, Ew, it got on my hand. Ew, okay, I can't waste time right now. I'm just going to have to live with it. I hate the smell of apple cider vinegar if you guys are new here. All right, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This, I love the smell of.
Mmm. Hopefully that can't. Yeah, put a little more. Come on, go for it. You know you love it.
All right, we're done with you.
Ouch.
And we have a 3rd cup of oil.
Oh.
I couldn't find the oil, so we'll be right back. We got the oil. I didn't realize it was in that little skinny jar. It's so cute.
Isn't
skinny
it?
bottle.
I love it.
So 1/3 cup, and we are using extra virgin olive oil.
A lot of people would say, oh, you have to use like a...
Oh, this is getting right to the end here.
Oh, well, I have another one.
We're a little bit short, but I think it's fine.
It's probably fine.
We don't usually use all the oil anyway. We'll do like applesauce or banana, but this is a birthday, so we're going all in.
Yeah.
All right. And now, last but not least, we have a whole cup of water.
Okay.
All right. I really played myself with that baking soda.
I know.
I'm so
really
annoyed.
did.
Okay. You always realize it after it's too late.
You know what? If you learned for next time, then it was not for naught.
But this is for the birthday. All right, I'm going to mix it up.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Whenever I see the words crazy cake now, I think of, have you guys ever seen that show Lazy Town?
No.
I've never seen the actual show before, but I've saw the song. I think it's called Cooking by the Book.
Okay.
And it's like, it's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy. Look it up. And if you're really feeling adventurous, check out...
Too Many Cooks?
No. Don't. No, I was going to say they did a remix version mashing up... You should just check it out.
Okay.
They mashed up another song with it, and it's very funny. But I really get a kick out of that. So we're just going to mix all this up, and I'll check back in with you guys when it's time to get it in the pan.
Gotcha. And we're back.
All right. So we got it all mixed up. You want to make sure you don't over-mix this cake.
Because it will be tough.
It'll be tough, and that's gross. Okay. I'm sure it'll still be okay, but it won't be maximum. So I greased my... Or not grease, but I cooking sprayed my pan. Mm-hmm. And now I'm going to get this in here. And I don't know how people do this, like, on their own. This is hard. I'm afraid I'm going to drop this.
You need some teamwork to make the dream work?
I mean, this one's not too bad because the bowl is...
You got a grippy? Uh-oh.
We'll be right back.
All right, crisis averted.
There was a little pocket of sunshine that didn't get mixed in yet. But I just mixed it into what we have left in here, and it's going to be okay, guys. Cooking and baking is fun.
You know what? It's all happy accidents.
Yeah. Channel your inner Bob Ross.
That's right. You know what? It's not that tragic.
It's really not. All right. Let's get this all in here. Looking good. We're going to save this for the birthday girl.
Oh, thank you.
And we are now going to bake this for 35 minutes at 350 degrees.
No fan.
No fan, yeah. Just regular baking.
Yep. Top rack.
Okay. Bye. Bye. See you later.
All right. Your cake has come out of the oven and cooled off.
Yes. I just want to say before we get going here, I rewatched the Cooking by the Book remix video after not watching it for a while. I just want to warn it, like it's very funny, but I just want to warn everyone that it does have
it's nasty.
It's got some bad language and it's not suitable for work because of that. So I'm just letting you know.
Little kids.
Yeah, it's got explicit lyrics, so you've been forewarned. Okay. Anyway, this is done. It's cooled off. So now we're going to take it out of the pan. Whoa. Okay, looking good. Looks like it stayed away from the
that's good.
The side.
Mm-hmm.
So we're
be fine.
We're going to do 2 layers. I've never cut the cake in half like this before. So
well, you just got the tutorial from me, so
I did, but I don't know if I can pull it off. Okay.
Wow, look at that.
The trap is clean.
Yeah.
Not quite, but it came out.
All right, well, don't put that in the sink because that's the chef's...
That's for scraping.
Chef's delight.
Yeah, so now, like...
Just hold your knife. Level.
I'm scared.
There. saw as you turn. Do you know what? Yes, saw as you turn.
Okay. I've never done this part before, you
I
guys.
know, I'm coaching you.
I know. This is crazy.
Looks good.
Ooh, it looks a little thin on the top in spots.
Because you're not holding it against the plate.
Follow the guide of the edge of the plate.
Well, oh boy. Oh no.
You know what? It's all going to be covered in icing and you won't even know the difference. Okay, next. Where do I put that? I got a little help on that part. Okay. Taking the top off. Okay, so now we are going to put our icing in between. Mm-hmm. We got this beautiful Pillsbury accidentally vegan.
Yes.
Creamy Supreme chocolate frosting.
Can I offer a word of advice?
Absolutely.
Yeah. When you flip this back over,
yes.
See how that part is lower?
Yeah.
Make sure you
mash it up.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a really short cake on one side.
That'd be really sad.
And a really, it's going to be a water park cake.
Yeah. I've also never used one of these, like,
offset spatula?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay,
More
I'm going to try to
advice?
not break up the whole cake.
Yes. Don't try and spread a big, thick amount. Spread a little bit so that you're not putting that much pressure on the cake.
Yeah.
And don't go back like you just went. That's gonna
basically, don't do anything that I'm doing right now.
No, well, you know, okay.
I don't make pretty things.
Okay.
In the kitchen.
Okay.
Crochet, yarn, whatever.
Did you crochet a cake?
I could.
That's true.
I'm pretty confident I could.
You know what? You should crochet one of those birthday cake hats.
If you want.
Yeah, maybe.
Why don't we check back in when I got this all covered?
Sounds good to me. Okay, so we're just checking in.
Got the top back on.
We're learning a lot. We're getting some tips along the way to do the sides first. We're learning about
life. We're learning about offset spatulas.
Yes. A little tip when you do the sides, hold that straight up and down. Yes. Don't be don't curve out the sides because that is a rookie mistake.
Okay.
You're going to want that crisp edge all the way around the top. So just get the sides first and then you can...
It's really hard.
I know.
In like the sense of controlling myself to not do what I want to do.
I know. Just get those sides, girl. And then we'll check back for the top.
Alright.
Looking good.
Yeah, because you cleaned
No. No, you're doing a good job.
Now I'm just wrecking everything that you've done here.
No, it looks wonderful.
I know you like the little curl in the front.
Then you can work on yourself.
Yeah. Anyway.
Frosting, you know what the takeaway here is? Frosting covers a multitude of sins.
It does. There are many sins in this cake.
And it tastes amazing.
Mm-hmm. But anyway, we're not going to be trying this until tomorrow because we're going to have it for Mom's birthday.
Right.
Which, as we're filming this, is in about 42 minutes.
Oh, I'm
so
almost
happy
56.
Early birthday.
Oh, boy.
I hope it's going to be a good one. Hope this is going to be a good year.
I hope this is a good year. Yeah, it's got to be better than last year.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see how it tastes, we'll probably taste it in the vlog.
Yeah,
so on the Mad
check out the Mad Rose D
channel.
Vlogs channel.
Yep, but this is the finished.
Oh.
There's like this one. Okay.
There you go. You know what? It was made with love.
It was.
That was the #1 ingredient.
Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What do you have for your vegan birthdays?
Oh.
I'm always wondering, always wanting to try out new desserts. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy Veganuary. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And until next time, much love.